Okay, we are now live. Yan. So let me share the slide, PowerPoint slide. Nakarinita. Entire screen. Entire screen, okay. Yan. Okay, class, nakikita niyo yung PowerPoint slide?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, good morning, good morning. Welcome to our class. Let's start on time. I'm the person who wants to start on time and end on time. And we'll do our best to finish this in 45 minutes. Now, to begin with, that's Entrepreneurship 12, April 8 observation. We are now online if heat index is high, not in the building. And just a reminder, okay, class safety reminders. Please make sure that you don't have any browser open to prevent untoward incidents while on class. And make sure you're on mute, okay? Ensure that you are seated in a comfortable place. I don't mind if you're laying down or sitting or at the kitchen, that's fine as long as you can listen. Do not chat with others while the teacher is facilitating so that we won't get disrupted. And maintain orderliness so as to not disrupt learning. Respect others when they speak or when they are talking. You can click the raise button. I guess you already know this. You've done this several times already, probably 100 times. So when you want to talk, just raise your hand and I'm going to give you time to speak. Okay, any questions? Any questions, class?
None po.
Okay,
None po.
thank you. And I would like to welcome Sir Giselle sa ating class. Let's welcome Sir Giselle. Thank you for gracing our class and hope you would enjoy our session today as our observer. Now, before we start anything, we have to ask the Lord's guidance. And let us give the chance to opportunity to Mr. Alwin for the prayer. Go ahead, Alwin.
Tayo yumako at manalangin. O Panginoon, maraming maraming salamat po sa araw nito at gumising po kami ng maaga upang makinig at may matutunan po kay Sir Jotham. Naway marami po kaming malaman patungkol sa kanyang i-discuss at nagpapasalamat po kami at ginagabayan niyo po kami at binibigyan po ng lakas sa pang-araw-araw. Naway patawarin niyo po kami sa aming nagagawang kasalanan at sa mga gagawin pa po. Ang lamang po in Jesus' name, Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Mr. Alwin. So let me present to you the objectives for this afternoon. This morning. First, the learner demonstrate understanding of concepts, underlying principles, and processes of starting and operating a simple business. So we are now on fourth quarter, and we are going to understand and actually apply the principles of entrepreneurship through putting up a business. And we already talked about that through our page on what are our plans, or even in our online class, the first online class, on what we're gonna do in terms of selling. And can you please read Pareto Performance Standard?
The learner independently or with his or her classmates starts and operates a business according to the business plan and presents a terminal report of its operation.
Thank you so much. So there you go. We are going to operate a business. And then there's this financial report. Siyempre, kailangan malaman natin kung yung plano natin ay naging successful. Okay, kita ba? Yan. And learning competencies, sinong pwede kong tawagan dito? Si Tandok, please read learning competencies.
Wala. Manifest understanding of starting and operating a simple business. The learner operate the business. Ay, okay na rin, sir.
Yes. Yun words lang. And sell the product.
Sell the product service to potential customers.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tandok. Yep. So we're going to operate a business. These are the learning competencies and sell the product or services. So obviously when our assistant principal asked me what are the things you're going to do for the fourth quarter, I said based on the what you call MELCS and curriculum guide is the selling portion of entrepreneurship. But of course, we're going to discuss the financial aspect of it so that you can perform or do the reporting properly. Okay, and the content itself is business implementation. Thank you for reading, class. So, take a closer look at this picture. 20 seconds. Kasi magtatanong ako dyan, tignan nyo mabuti. Ayan. Sabi dito, DA. Anong DA? What does DA stands for? Who wants a point? Yes, somebody's raising their hand. Wait, hold on. Let me. Go ahead, Justin Sanchez. Ay,
Department of Agriculture.
okay. Do you have the same answer, Montigo?
Department of Agriculture din po.
Okay, kanina si Tandok, si Parido. At sino kasi nagbasa kanina? Si Tandok, Parido, nakalimutan ko. Okay, so, yeah, Department of Agriculture. It says there, while I'm telling you about the caption, provide sustainable livelihood aid to IPs. Anong IPs? Okay, Parido, let's try Parido.
Indigenous people po.
Ay, very good. Ba't alam eh? Sino kasi yan? Sino kasi nagtas ng kamay Parido? Okay, indigenous people. Tama. So, in Pampanga, ayan, PNA. Ang PNA ay under ng government natin. Yan yung pinaka-media hub natin. So, take a closer look at this picture. The Department of Agriculture has sustainable livelihood aid to the indigenous people. Now, let us take away certain models, okay, because our topic is about business models. Let us try to see through pictures the, what you call, contents or the intentions of Department of Agriculture. Okay. Sabi dito, can you please read? Let me see. Who wants to read? Sino nagtaas ng kamay? Okay. Erica Malyari. Go ahead, Erica. Your microphone is turned off.
The Department of Agriculture Central Luzon has provided fruit-bearing trees and vegetable seeds as livelihood provision to the indigenous people community at Barangay Villa Maria in Porac, Pampanga on Tuesday, July 5, 2022. The move is under the DA's Kabuhayan at Kaunlaran ng Kababayang Katutubo 4Ks, which aims to help the IPs develop their ancestral agriculture lands into productive and sustainable agriculture enterprises. Okay na.
Thank you so much. Okay, enterprises. Okay. So sabi doon ay, ang tawag dito, meron 4Ks, kabuhayan at kaunlaran ng kababayan katutubo. At nakafocus ito sa ilan aspeto para magkaroon sila ng chance na lumaban sa buhay. Kasi alam natin mga katutubo, dati walang problema yan. Kasi nakaka-hunt sila, meron silang tinatawag na ways to survive. Kaso, based on reality, ang pinakamalungkot dyan ay yung tinatawag na yung pag-develop ng mga tao ng kanilang mga lands. Yan. At nawala sila ng habitat. Okay, so, ganun talaga. Sinong mayaman, sila yung nag-ahari. So ngayon, ang ginagawa ng government para hindi sila mapabayaan ay ginawan sila ng livelihood. So let's do a drill. Tignan natin kung mahula nyo, no? So let us just go to Lumi app and answer the following questions. Ito yung mga questions na sasagutin natin mamaya. Pero let us identify the key elements of the program through this picture. So nakikita nyo, meron picture at may corresponding words. So I'm gonna use my mouse. Sayang wala tayo sa room. Ituturo ko ito, sasabihin nyo saan ko siya ihuhulog. Okay? Any questions? Okay, let's go to the app itself. Ayan. So you can raise your hand and I will just drag this. At sasabihin nyo saan siya. No? And this is supposed to facilitate visual learning, and critical thinking kasi picture interpretation siya. So let's try. Somebody raised their hand. Let me go back to the page. Hold on. Sino yun? Let me see. Okay, si Montesinos. Montesinos, go ahead. Let's, hold on. Let's go back here. Okay, which one? This one first, the P.
Yung unang picture po, yung may bag. Ay, yung ito po.
Oh, itong letter P. Ito. Nakikita mo yung mouse yan?
Value po.
Ha?
Value.
Val-
Sa value po.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Value. What else? Next. Ito. Montesinos, ikaw pa. Sige, tapusin natin.
Sa selling po.
Selling. Ang galing ah. Sige, tignan natin. Check natin. Ito. Pera.
Cost po.
Cost. Galing ah. Ito.
Sa resource po.
Ito.
Sa customer po.
And ito.
Partner po.
Okay, let's check. Amazing! Congratulations! So, si Montesino yun, no? Okay, thank you so much. Yep. So, the program, class, has something to do with selling. Okay? They are going to sell their products. What are their products? The resources. Okay, resources. It's about customer, it's about value, it's about partnership, and it's about cost. Okay? So, yan. Mali yata yung picture na ginawa ko. Sandali. Mali. Reset. So, let's do this again. Next is this one. Picture. Picture memory. Sinong may alam ng memory to? Si Akira yata nag-test ng kamay. Akira? Ay, Akira. O, tama, Akira. Nag-test ka ng kamay. We go here. Okay. Okay, si Mehika. Mehika, let's try this. Ito pala dapat ang pictures natin. Let's just do that. Okay. So, tell me, ang instructions dito ay ganito. Let me go to the slide. Yan siya. Memory game. Baliktad ko nalagay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, class? So you have 12 people can participate or 6 people can participate until mabuo natin ito. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung numbers para mamaya pag tinuro ko ay alam natin gawin. Are you ready? Okay, let's go back here. Okay. So, who wants to do it? Sino? Parido. Okay, go ahead, Parido. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Sir, wait lang, napindot.
Sige.
Ulit, sir.
Okay, pili ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
8 po.
8. Ito. Next, poultry racing. Pili ka pa ng isang picture. Para tayo nag-Nokia dito eh.
Yung 10 po.
10. Okay. Ay, ang galing. Okay. Next, that's Parido. Who wants next? Okay, somebody raised their hand. Si Akira, tapos si Aubrey, tapos si Ponce. Ayan, okay. Akira, ikaw muna.
Yes, sir.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12.
1, sir.
1. Vegetable planting.
Ano po? 4.
4. Okay. Hindi siya. Okay. Aubrey? I'm not sure if this is the one. Aubrey?
2, sir.
2. Sandali, type lang. 2. Mali yan. 2. Ito. Next picture on 3. Ito. Ito.
5, sir.
5. Hindi siya. Next. Ano kasi last name ni Aubrey?
Agustin, sir.
And sino kasi yung kanina? Si Ponce. Ponce, go ahead.
Sir, pwede piliin ulit yung number kanina.
Oo, pwede naman.
1 tsaka 5 po.
Dapat inuna mo yung yung 5. Ay, very good. Ba't alam mo? Okay, si Ponce yun. Next. Yung kanina meron isa eh. Yung kanina, Henson yata. Ay, Henson. Henson Gatchalian Brugada. Okay. Henson muna. Henson, go ahead.
12, sir.
12? Okay. Ayun.
5, sir.
5. Very good. Okay, si Henson. Henson, ano section mo?
Perseverance po.
Okay. And Gatchalian?
4 po.
4.
Tsaka po 9.
9. Okay. Hindi siya. Who else? Let me go here. 4 tsaka 9. Paano ko makita marami? Change layout. Madami. Okay, sino pa? Sabi na. Brato, go. Ay, si Brugada muna, tapos Brato. Brugada? Dalawa na lang.
3 po.
3. Capacity building.
12 po.
12. Ay, wala na yung 12. 3 planting. 11?
11 po.
Livestock. Okay, hindi siya. Sino kasi yan? Ano kasi pangalan mo?
Jessica po.
Oh, yung last name?
Brugada po.
Yeah. Okay. At sino kasi yan? Sino ko nagtaas ng kamay kanina? Wala na? O, sige, Luyag. Ay, Brato, hindi ka pa. O, sige, Brato, go ahead.
Yung 4 po, tapos 11.
Hindi siya. Okay. Brato, go ahead. Next. Sino pang nagtataas ng kamay? Wala na? Luyag. Tapos si Garcia. Luyag?
Ano po, 3 and 11. 3 pala. Ito pala, nakalimutan.
Babae ka talaga.
Basta po ako nakatingin
O, ano?
Sharia ko na mo.
O, ano? Ugly.
Serya ako.
O, nito sabi niya, ay kay pa, ay Garcia, tapos
Malagday, sir.
Ha? Sino kasama mo, Luyag?
Wala, sir. Ako lang.
Ay, akala ko meron ka kasama. O, Garcia.
Ako na, sir.
O, tapos si Malagday. Ay, Malagday. O, Garcia. Lian. Ay, maglalakad.
3 and 9 po.
Okay. Sandali. 3 and 9. Hindi siya. Okay. Sino pa?
Sir ako, sir.
So, sige, go ahead. Sino yan? Si?
Yellow, sir.
Sir, baka naman.
Sino?
Sir,
Sino yan? Andala.
Yako pa, sir. Sabi mo.
Okay, Malagday. Sige. Tapos si Dakame. Babayo pa rin gama, Chureta mag-test na. Okay. Malagday. Go.
2, sir. Ang pang 11.
4. 11.
Oh, sir.
Nano? 2.
2.
O, tapos?
11.
Aliyah. O, next.
Sir, ako lang, sir. Oh.
Sir ako, sir.
Ano kasi ito, Malagday na, no?
Saka kami eh.
Section Malagday.
Hope, sir.
Hope. Wow. Hope. Oh. Nino pa?
Sir ako.
Kapangaling mo nyo,
Oh, sir.
matama kayo na.
Masipag.
Ano? Dakame.
This one. Ano sir? 2 po.
2, ito. Sige.
Tsaka po 4.
2, sandali. Ay, tama. 2, tsaka mali. Ito, capacity building ito. Ayan. Okay? Si Dakame. Pablito. Peace.
Sir Gatchalian.
Si Gatchalian, sandali. Sige. Angelo.
9 tsaka 11 po.
9, 11. Ayan, live stock.
Sir.
Sir, ako na to, sir.
Sir. Sige sir.
Sir, ako, sir.
Sandali. Sino yan? Sino?
Patida.
Wala lang. Ay na, tayo.
Si
So, Delin,
Si
sir.
Lopez?
Yes, sir.
Ay, obvious naman ito eh.
Pag-isipan ko, sir. Wait lang.
Sige.
Wait lang, sir.
O, hulaan mo ano yung last. Hindi ko bubuksan.
Ano, sir? Baka 4 and... Ano to?
Hindi, hulaan mo ano yung picture. O kaya ito. Yan. Ano yan?
Ay,
Lagot.
pass, sir.
Hindi nga. Hulaan mo lang. Anong livelihood ito?
About crafting ba, sir?
Crafting. Okay. Yeah. Basketry. Ayan. So, ito yung tinatawag na program ng ating government. Vegetable planting, capacity building, training yan, basketry, poultry raising, saan yung mga manok ito, livestock raising, and tree planting. Yan. So yan, sa pamamagitan daw niyan, ay matutulungan nila. Thank you for participating. Sino palang nagsalita doon? Si Lopez, no? Lopez ng Peace. Okay. Sa pamamagitan niyan ay makakaraos sila sa buhay. Now, let's go to the business aspect of it. So, syempre, indigenous group ito at gusto ng tulungan ng government. But we're gonna apply it in our entrepreneurship subject. So, how can I identify and understand the needs of these indigenous people? Okay, who wants to answer the first question? Sabi dito, paano ko makikita o maunawan yung mga pangangailangan ng tao? Halimbawa, sino nakakakita ng indigenous people? Malamang kung pumupunta kayo ng SM, nandun sila naglilimos. Pero yung mga mahilig magbike, di ba? Magbibisikleta. Pag pumunta kayo doon sa hanging bridge, sa may likod ng Clark, nagtitinda sila ng vegetables. At pag nagtitinda, minsan bumili ako kasi mahilig si Ma'am Raquel ng papaya. Ako naman gusto ko yung sour sop or guyabano. Ang lalaki nila. Tinitinda nila kasi tinanong ko saan galing ito. Tanim nila. Ayun. Program ng government yung pagtatanim. Okay, may nagtas ng kamay. Yes, Munoz.
Sir, to identify and understand customer needs and preferences, sir. Pwedeng sir, mag-contact po ng market research, sir. Yung sir, conduct surveys sa mga focus groups and interviews to sir, makagather ka po ng information na directly from your target customers.
Okay, very good. Lecture natin this week yan. Nag-advance reading tong batang ito. Okay, very good, Munoz. Okay, conduct interview and study. Yeah, that's how we understand the people or the needs of the people, especially the indigenous group. So we go to their place, their location, either Marcos Village, Hadwan, or Sapora. Okay? And we'll find out what do they really need. Actually, tama yan, class. Kasi hindi naman lahat baka nasa Mount Pinatubo area sila ay hindi naman pwede magtanim doon ng gulay. Kasi yung ashfall. So that's a good answer as sharing, Munoz. We have to find out really their location and what they need there. Okay, Parido, number 2. Nakamute ka, Parido. Angel.
Sir naman, number 2 agad.
Meron na tama yung answer ng number 1 eh. In what ways does my product differentiate itself from competitors in the market? Okay, let's apply this on their paninda, yung indigenous group. Paano natin malalaman na bibili ang tao sa mga pananim nila? Ito, madali lang ito. Halimbawa ako, healthy person ako. Ay, syempre, bibili ako sa mga indigenous community dito. Lalo yung mga fruits. Bakit kaya? Okay, vegetables. Okay? Any other hands? Okay, si Akira. Okay. Ay, Brugada, Kapulong, sino sa inyo?
Sir, ako, sir.
Okay.
Akira, sir.
Gonzales, go.
Sir, bibili sila sa mga sir, sa mga indigenous, sir, kasi po, yung product nila wala pong halong chemical, lahat organic yung ginagamit nila.
Tama. Tiran mo ka rin. Oh, siyempre organic kasi hindi naman sila bibigyan ng panglason, sariling tanim nila yon. Although pag nag-support yung government, baka ibang paraan na yan. Pero at least we would guarantee that in a way we know they're gonna use plant in a healthy way, no chemicals and everything. Yeah. Kaya ako nung natikman ko yung guyabano at papaya, ang sarap. At alam na alam mo yung walang linagay na kalburo or mga chemicals sa balat kasi malalasa mo yan. Thank you, Akira. And the third one, what strategies can I use effectively to reach and engage with my target customers? Sa kanila class, nasa bundok sila. Pumunta pa lang ako doon sa hanging bridge. Doon ko nakita yung paninda nila. Ano kaya ang pwedeng gawin ng mga indigenous community na to para makita lalo ang product nila? Okay. Hanap ako dito. Yung mga nagtaas ng kamay. Si Adeline.
Sir, once they are known po kasi, kunwari po, madami na pong buyers na umaano po sa kanila, nag-reach out. Malalaman po ng mga other customers, kagaya po ng kunwari, yung advantage nga po nila, hindi po sila gumagamit ng chemical. They are using natural resources para po makagawa po ng product. Kagaya po nung sinabi niyo po na mas okay po yung lasa nung natikman niyo pong nabili na product sa kanila. Magiging po sila, like, tawag dito, mas magiging kilala po yung product nila kasi nga po hindi po, tawag dito, natural resources nga po yung pinanggalingan ng mga product.
Tama, Adeline, no? Tama, actually, that's true. Anong tawag sa business nun? It is the quality of the product. Okay? So, when the quality of the product is good, then that means that what? People will buy more, will go back to the product. What else? Sino ditong wala pang points? Agustin. Go, Agustin.
Utilize target marketing strategies and digital marketing platforms. Sa number 3, sir.
Okay. How are they gonna do it? Can you please elaborate a little more? So, digital platform, social media. Go ahead. Actually, that's the right answer. Pero inisip ko, paano kaya yon? Aubrey?
Reaching target customers, sir.
So, yeah, definitely. Can you give an example? How can an indigenous community reach out to other or to their target market as consumers? Aubrey? Oh, may clue. Nakikita niyo ba yung mic ko? Yan. Hindi kita narinig, nakamute ka yata.
Such as sir, social media and email marketing can also reach wider audience and engage customers.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, social media marketing, bagay marami nang marunong mag-cellphone ngayon. Carlas, may sinasabi ka, go ahead.
Alaman, sir, may kaya mo.
May unmute siya. Okay. Si Baluyot.
Sure. Kung kaya in the case of mga indigenous people, no, pwede silang showcase ng culture nila through, like for example, yung mga exhibit, gano'n, or yung mga cultural festivals.
Tama. Thank you. Yan, nangyayari yan. If the company has, hindi ko ma-score si Baluit, wala siyang entrep, has fairs or exhibits, they can attend to that. And we see that all the time. Cinco, go ahead. Cinco? Cinco? Ay, napindot lang yata ni Cinco.
Sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, nakalimutan ko yun.
Nakalimutan mo, sige. Balikan kita mamaya. Okay, the idea that I was trying to tell you a while ago is, that's why I'm doing this hand gesture, is they can go out and sell them through personal selling. Go to the market, go to a more visible place. Okay? Kasi sanay naman maglakad dyan. Okay? Mag-jeep sila, lalabas sila sa Clark, at pupunta sila sa palengke, o kaya hanap sila ng pwesto. Gaya nung minsan nakita ko, nandun yung mga indigenous people sa harap ng Angeles Library. Inalaw nila sa na magtinda sila doon at nakikita mo yung mga iba't ibang malalaking prutas nila. That's one way kasi kung hindi ka papapasok sa Clark, kaya sa amin, nagbisikleta kami para pumasok sa Clark. Tapos doon lang namin nakita, hindi mabilis yung pagbibenta. Lagi pag nakabisikleta kami, ang bigat. Alam mo yung sinabit ko yung 2 prutas sa manibela ng bike ko. So, pero meron din chance ang government na inaalaw sila magtinda sa City Place dun sa harap ng Angeles Library para ma-showcase yung product nila at naubos yon kasi doon bumili din kami. Okay? So let's proceed with the lesson so that we'll be on track. Not to worry, there are more. So based on your answers, as a facilitator, I would like to draw you to a topic today, which is business model. Okay? To create a business model, just like the questions we answered, we need to identify our customers, who can buy from you, okay, who are your customers, and what do you need to operate the business, and what will you do to create value for your product or services. So in other words, a business model, just like your business plan that you have submitted to me, is it has customers, and you identify the target market, you have written down the process and how to sell your product, and you showed why your product should be purchased. That's what you call business model. Okay? And based on this picture class, ito, 10 seconds. What kind of business can you think of by looking at this picture? Okay, observe, there are what? If you're gonna describe this picture, they're motocross. Okay, motorcycle racing. They're using dirt bikes. They're using good quality helmets. They're using gears. Okay, what else? Go ahead. What kind of business can you think of regarding this? Sino yung nagsalita? Kanino? Ikaw yon?
Yes po.
Okay, go ahead. Based on the picture, what kind of business can you think of?
Sir, gasolina.
Oo, tama. Wala sa isip ko yung pero tama, gasolina. Sige nga, the obvious pero tatanong ko bakit? Peace ka ba? Perseverance. Okay, kanino? The obvious do, pero gasolina. Bakit gasolina?
Kasi sir, uma-under yan sir. Kailangan niya ng gas para umandar.
Tama. Tapos sabi niya, actually, I wasn't thinking of that, pero tama, gasoline. Okay, who else?
Sir, ako, sir.
Ninita?
Sir. Ako, sir.
Yes, sir.
Si Masida, Jake?
Sa po, sir, sa mga gear po nila, helmet, sa mga jersey nila, sir.
Helmet. Anong section mo, Jake?
Humility po.
Okay. So, tama, sir, helmet. Sir. Quality helmet. Bakit? Prone sa accident yan. Tama?
Sir, ako po, sir.
Okay, tama. Okay. One more.
Gatchalian, sir.
Sino?
Ako, sir.
Daling, sir.
Kapula muna, sir.
Lupangin mo lang as points dito. Patingin.
Ako, sir.
Sir, ako.
Sino? Basilio.
Basilio,
Si
sir.
Basilio muna. Basilio?
Motor, sir.
Tama, motorcycle. Paano sa... Bakit motorcycle?
Sir, hindi sila makakapag-race kung walang motor.
Tama. The obvious na. Sige, tama.
Sir, ako na sa last,
Next.
Sir,
Sir.
Gretchen yan, sir.
Ako, sir.
Motorcycle, tinutuloy.
Sir Ponce, sir.
Kapulong muna, sir.
Honesty. Okay. So, motorcycle. Sige, marami pang questions. Dali. Okay, motorcycle. Okay. Customers are what? Motorcycle enthusiasts. What can they buy from you? Gasoline, helmet, and motorcycle. And what do you need to operate your business? Siyempre, you need, ito. Noon nalaman mo yung helmet, gasoline, motorcycle, what do you need to operate your business? Ayan. Sino gusto sumagot dyan? What do you need to operate your business?
Sir, ako, sir.
Ay, Ninita. Sino yan? Sinong Yaku, sir? O si Easy, nagtaas ng kamay. Easy? Natutuloy si Easy. Erica? Malyari? Nakamute yata. Cassandra? Gamma Race?
Sir, dahil yung gasoline po, ano po tayo ng mga establishment kung saan po sila makakakuha ng resources.
So, palagay mo, saan yung pinakamagandang place mag-establish ng gasoline station?
Yung kung saan po malapit yung mga venue ng motorcycle racing, sir.
Tama. Very good. Yep, that's one way. Setting up a gasoline station because those are the three examples you've given us. Gasoline, helmet, and motorcycle. So near, the important thing is the gasoline near the venue. Okay? And what will you do to create value for your product or service? Siyempre, ito yung paano mo convince na bibili sila ng motorcycle sa'yo, ng helmet sa'yo. Gasoline na, okay lang. Kailangan natin yan. It's a need. Pero helmet and motorcycle, if you're doing this type of business, how can you create value or how can you convince them to buy your product?
Ako, sir.
Sir, ako, sir.
Ako, sir.
Hindi pa narinig.
Ako, sir.
Alan.
Sandali, marami tayo. Don't forget, class, yung attendance natin, nasa link. Sandali, bago ko kukuha ng attendance, 22 pa lang yung nag-respond, So, yung mga hindi pa nag-attendance, please click the link. Yung link nandito siya sa chat box. Ito siya. Ito. Nakikita nyo to. Yan. So, don't forget to click the link. I need your attendance here. So far, 22 pa lang yung nag-click ng attendance. Pero medyo madami-dami tayo. Ayaw ko mawala kay 58 tayo. So, please click in the attendance. Okay. So, how can you convince them? Sino? Tignan ko nga sinong pwede kong tawagan. Sandali. Yung hindi ko, wala man, sir. Anong wala man? Di ko ma-see yung link. Nandito siya sa chat box. Ay, hindi. Sige. Paste ko ulit. Yan. Nakita mo na. Okay? So, tignan ko muna sino pwede kong tawagan. Si David. David Kenneth, gising ka pa? David Kenneth. Si Villaluz. Nagtaas ng kamay ka na. Villaluz?
Ako, sir. Gising ako, sir.
Sige. Pag hindi nagsagot si Villaluz, ay si Lian maglalag. Go ahead. Villaluz, gising ka? Sige, bigay natin kay Lian ayun. Villaluz, go ahead.
Gising ako, sir.
Sige. Go ahead. How can we convince people dito sa example picture natin na bibili ng helmet sa atin o kaya ng motorcycle?
Sir, ipapakita natin, sir, kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng product, sir, kung gaano katibay, ganun, sir.
Okay, that's very good. That's the one main ingredient that people will be looking for. Quality, okay? Maglalang, ano pa? Aside from quality, meron pang isang nakikita ko.
Hindi ko alam, sir, kung ito yung nakikita mo, no? Pero ito yung nakikita ko.
Sige.
Hindi po. Siguro po yung branding po. Kasi po, dun po tumitingin yung tao. Like, halimbawa po, hindi ko po kasi alam yung mga branding.
like, halimbawa po ako, sa mga brand po ng cologne, bumibili po ako sa, like, parang mas sikat po na brand, parang ganun. Yun po.
Bakit mas maganda yung sikat na brand, Lian?
Sir, ano po, mas marami pong bumibili doon.
Maliban doon, starts with letter Q.
Quality.
Sir, nagigiuso kasi sila.
Hindi, quality. Kasi hindi ka naman bibili ng imported or branded product kung yung quality ay hindi maganda. Kasi usually, yung quality ng product ay sumusunod doon sa brand. Like Adidas, ay maganda yan. Mahal yan, pero matibay. Okay? So, let's proceed. Sige, you have more time to participate. So, let us, nalaro na natin yung Lumi app. Mix natin. Memory game. Okay, ito yung key formula. Handa na ba yung mga papel nyo? Isusulat natin ito. So, meron tinatawag na formula ang business model. At nagawa nyo na to doon sa business plan nyo. Pero since we're business implementation, we're gonna revisit it. So, on a piece of paper, I need you to write this down. Sino ang mga key partners ng business ninyo? Normally, nakasulat sa business plan nyo, kayo lang, o kaya yung parent, o kaya yung kasama nyo nagtitinda. Kung 3 lang kayo, lalagay nyo doon number 3. 3. Key activities, ano yung ginagawa sa isang business? So they have, let's sabihin natin, 5 activities, something like that. Key resources, ano yung mga raw materials, sa mga bagay na kailangan mo para mabuo yung business. Yung kaninang sinagot nyo, value proposition. Ano yung pangpahila nyo sa mga customers ninyo? Yung customer relationships and channels. These are the people who will support your business. Channels who will distribute your business. Yung segment, mismong mga bibili ng product nyo. Puhunan, cost, at ano yung kikitahin ninyo. Okay, to understand this further, let's watch this video. Saan siya? Okay. Video, saan ka? Dali. Ito nga ako sa next page. Dito. Ayan. Observe this video.
Guys, if you can see it going up, put it down. Oh.
Dapat ito gagawin natin sa room kaso sa online tayo.
The whole semicircle. No, not this semicircle.
Come, this semicircle every minute on the count of 3 we put it down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
No.
Okay, now one more count. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, bababa nila.
Okay,
bababa nila. Dapat yung daliri hindi aalis. Ito, mawawala ang daliri niya, nandadaya, ayan, ayan, nawawala, So, pag nawala na yung daliri mo dun sa ulo mo, ay, out na siya.
Don't panic.
Mukhang madali, no? Pero ibababa nila sabay-sabayan, mahirap yan kasi yung coordination, yung teamwork, at yung execution. Ang tagal nila, hindi nila natapos, right? Okay, let's close that. So, that's the hula hoop video. Bumili nga ako ng hula po, gagawin natin sana. Exciting sana yon. Tapos may prize kaso wala. Nag-online tayo kasi nga, pandemic na naman. Okay, so based on that example, hula hoop, it may be simple, but let's execute a business plan. Ito, key partners, 5 to 3 teams, each row, okay, so let's say that member, kasi dapat sa room ito, so row, each row mayroon tayong members. So, doon, they are members of around 7, ayan, key partners yun. Kasi sila yung key element para mabuo yung activity. 3. So, sabihin natin 3 partners or 5. Key activity, hula hoop, index finger, lift it up or put it down. Key resources, manpower, hula hoop, stamina, collaborating effort. Yan. Value propositions, all members should be coordinated for their finger not to leave the hula hoop while raising it or putting it down. And there was a time limit of 30 seconds. Customer relationship, ayan, 5 members working together. Channels, ayan, it's supposed to be in the room, 3 groups. Okay? Group per row with 5 members. Ayan, segment, 1 hula hoop per group, and 3 results for feedback. Okay, so based on this simple activity, we were able to convert it into a business model. Any questions, class? Okay, matatapos na tayo. Any questions?
None, sir.
Okay, so now, let's do it thinking about your business plan. I would like you to create a business model, class. So, sulat nyo sa papel nyo. Ngayon, gawin natin in a few minutes. 1 minute, kaya nyo yan. Just 1 sentences each. And then, I would like you to share your work, either 3 students. Okay? So, get 1 whole piece of paper today. Right now. Tapos, I will call anybody who raised their hand who wants to present. And open camera kasi papakita nyo ganyan yung inyong work. And then, we're gonna end the class with that final assessment and activity. Okay, I'll give you time to complete the task. Siguro, let's say, 5 minutes lang kasi oras na. Okay, 5 minutes is enough. Timer starts now. 6:47. We will do presentation at 6:55 or 6:53 and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, any questions for the activity, class? Get a piece of paper. Any piece of paper would do. White paper, yellow paper. I'm sure you have paper at home. And try doing this formula. Ayan. Fill up the blanks. You'll use your business plan. Halimbawa, okay? Your business plan is about, sino naalala ko? Halo-halo. Sino key partners? Siguro, ikaw, nanay mo. 2. Nanay mo 2. Activity. Sell halo-halo. Create the best halo-halo. Key resources. Ice, sago, etc. Value proposition. The halo-halo is always cold. The ice isn't melted. It doesn't taste like milk only. That's the quality. Customer relationships would be 2. Okay? Kasi mother and you and some buyers. Channels, it would be you, 1 or 2. Kasi ikaw mismo direct seller. Segment, senior high school students or bypassers. Cost, puhunan, 500 pesos. Revenue streams, estimate 10 halo-halo per day, 1,000 pesos. Okay? So start doing that. At exactly 6:53, I'll get some participants. Okay, screenshot this one, class, because I'll go to the next slide. All good? Any questions? Sino may tanong? Who has questions? Wala naman? Gising pa ba kayo? Hello?
Wala pong question.
Thank you. Adeline? Go. Siguro magpe-present, pili ako na. Hindi ko pa narinig si Nerissa. That's 1, Nerissa. Sige, Ponce, you can present. O, may tanong ka, Ponce? Angel? O, sige, okay. Mag-present. O, sige. Parida will present, Ponce will present, Nerissa will present. Let's try Anyasco. Yan. Okay, sino pa? And any volunteers? At least may 4 na tayo. Okay, write it on a piece of paper that you can start presenting it so that you won't forget it. While you're doing that, you only have around 5 minutes more to complete. So let me proceed with reminders. Don't forget to check the pinned feature post on our page. It's a very important announcement. Another one is the rubrics for your business model. This is on the page as well. So when you write your business model, make sure the content is clear. One sentence would do, no problem. Creativity. Oh, meron ng template, so no problem with that. And align with your business plan. Okay? Reminders, while working on that, our week's activities essay about value proposition. Don't forget our essay class, ha? Yes, go ahead. Somebody raise their hand. Nerissa, go ahead, Nerissa.
Sir, pwede po pakita po yung example po ng huling kanina.
Okay, yes. Okay? There you go. Ang gulo ka na. Yes, go ahead. Somebody's raising their hand.
Okay.
Yes?
Paano po yung sa channels?
Channels. Sino magdi-distribute sa product mo? So, kung direct seller ka, lagay mo ikaw. Seller 1, you can put one channel, that is your store and the customer. So, usually channels would fall under distribution kapag nagtitinda ka sa ibang lugar. Delivery. So, pag nagdi-deliver ka, sino magdi-deliver? Either personal delivery, through motorcycle, or through Grab, something. Pero normally, since personal business yung mga halos sa inyo, kayo lang yung channels. Or channel. Okay, let me check the time. 2 minutes to go.
Sir, what about po sa customer segment?
Sinong bibili ng inyong product?
Thank you po.
Senior high school, yung mga dumadaan sa daan, per order, pre-order, teachers.
Ganun din po ba sa relationships?
Sa relationship, yeah. It's about collaboration. Nandun ikaw, sino yung partner mo, at yung customers. See? Hinahanap ng pusa yung mga babies niya. Pinamigay ko kasi yung babies niya. Yung 6. Ang daming Okay, last 1 minute. Nag-iisang baby, oh. Hindi ba yung mata niya? Yellow tsaka blue. Ayan, mag-join ka sa online, oo. Anytime you're ready, you can start presenting class. Ito siya, natutulog. Ang ingay-ingay niya.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes?
Yung pusa niya, sir, meron siyang heterochromia.
Oo.
Ganda. Rare yun, mga ganun eh.
Alam ko, black and white lang yung nakikita nila pag ganun yung kulay ng mata.
Ganun po. Akala ko wala namang difference. Akala ko.
So yun, kaya pinag-agawan yung pusa namin sa sentro pinamigay ko. Hindi sila pareho kulay. Pure white sila tapos hindi pareho kulay mata. Okay, time's up. Kasi kailangan magtrabaho si Sir Josel. Busy siya sa kanyang work. Thank you, Sir Josel, for staying with us. Okay, who wants to present first? Kahit isa lang muna. Tapos, i-picture nyo yung work nyo, i-send nyo sa akin sa PM. Okay, so who wants to go first? For the points. Ulit ko na. Volunteer. Sige, isa-isahin natin yung gustong mag-present. I-break down natin into pieces. Like may mag-present ng key partners, key activity, key resources para maraming makaka-participate. Okay, sinong gustong mauna? Oh, may nagtaas ng kamay. Ay, hindi. Ito, meron na si Aubrey. Okay, basahin ko yung kay Aubrey. Siguro nakikita nyo dito sa page, no? Nakikita nyo? Okay, kay Aubrey, sabi niya, key activity, hula hoop, value customer proposition, physical fitness and coordination, interactive and engaging, all age, hula hoop instructor, may instructor pa, physical activity session, and revenue none. Okay, Aubrey got the idea what the business model is all about. Naka times 3 ka na, Aubrey. Oh. Okay, who else? Based on the business plan. Ayan, thanks Aubrey. Mag-PM lang yan. Wala na? So we will proceed with the last slides. Wala nang pahabol? Yung mga wala pang ano? Okay, Ivan's, Pinky. Don't forget the attendance, class. Check ko nga yung attendance. Naka 61 na, very good. Okay. So 61 yan, tapos tayo ay 57. Okay. Meron nag-log out na. Okay, since probably we can continue this in class, just submit those work. They're gonna be recorded for feedback. Then we'll share it at class because we have to end up on time. Marami pang may online class niya, pati si Sir meron siya sa research. So to wrap it up, let's proceed. Neri, ikaw, gusto mag-present? Neri? Mga tinawag ko kanina.
Sa school na lang, sir.
Sige, sa
School na lang.
Oras na rin eh. Sige, let's proceed. Don't forget, reminders, essay about value proposition. Meron tayong ginawang online class dyan, yung video nasa YouTube channel. Okay, today we have learned about business model. Okay, what is a business model? What is a business model? Ito nasa baba siya. Today we have learned about a business model. What is a business model? Let me call someone. Ivan Lopez. Ivan, are you still there? Good morning, mga idol. Ivan? Why, Ivan? What is a business model? Anyasco. Okay, Parida, go ahead.
Para po siyang body siya ng business, para po siyang ano yung mga nilalaman ng business like customers, ganun po. Ano yung mga gusto po about sa business mo.
Okay. Bakit mahalaga ang business model, Parido?
Ginagawa po siyang guide.
Very good. Siya yung pinaka-map natin sa negosyo. Guide. Thank you. Anybody else?
Sir, ako, sir.
Sige, go ahead. Sino yan? Si Adeline. Okay, go ahead, Adeline.
Yung business model po, sir, ito po yung plan para po makagawa ng profit. Tapos po, inaano niya po yung mga product, ina-identify niya po yung product. Para po yung paano po maibebenta. Tsaka, ito, kagaya nga po nung sabi nung isang nauna sa akin kanina.
Si Parido.
Siya po yung ano po, yung parang guide ng paano pag-create ng business.
Tama. Pinaka-map. Thank you, Adeline. Anybody else before we wrap it up? Okay, that's true. So the business model is our guide. We are going to, it is the thing as a business model need to do to complete or fulfill in order to earn its income. Tama. Tama si Adeline. Income, kita. It is about knowing your customer. Tama rin. Mapping, Parido. And knowing how to promote the value of your product. Kaya nga nakasulat doon, value proposition. And how to operate your business. The map. Okay? So nakikita nyo, parang yung summary ng inyong business plan ay yung business model. Okay? So bago kayo mag-create ng business plan, you have to make that model para ma-visualize nyo yung mga sangkap para mabuo yung inyong negosyo. Okay? And it is about earning an income. Okay? Assignment, as usual, do advanced reading. Yung page natin, kompleto ng lecture. By the way, kung pupunta kayo sa page natin, just to show you, Lian, baragbagan na po, sir. Wala akong mahanap yellow paper. Okay lang, Lian. Pass na lang sa, during our class. Okay? So, dito sa page natin, punta kayo dito sa, may sagot sa very good. Meron na nagpass. Sige, check ko mamaya. Thank you. So, dito sa page natin, punta kayo dun sa files. Okay, promote ko lang. Meron ng lecture 4, 5, 6. Meron lang lecture 1, 2, 3. Kasi after our online class, gagawa na ako ng test paper. So, review nyo to. Re-review din natin ito. Mga lectures na to during our classes. Para sa gayon ay ma-perfect natin yung exam. Okay? So, meron ng lecture 4, 5, 6 weeks lang kasi tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lectures to cover the 6 weeks lesson. Okay? And that's it, Pansit. Let's go to the slide to end it up. 7:02 na. Wala kayong tanong tungkol sa lesson na hindi clear sa inyo? Okay naman?
Wala po.
Okay. Others. What about the others? Wala kayong tanong?
Wala po.
Okay. So, ano ang pinaka-interesting sa lesson natin? Yan. For the last point, sino? Ano pinaka-nakita nyong nakaka-interest sa inyo o kaya natutunan nyo sa lesson natin sa umagang ito?
Ako, sir.
Okay, sino yan? Si Akira?
Apo.
Okay, go ahead, Akira.
Sir, na pinaka-interesting po dito is parang yung help po na kung if gusto namin mag-business, meron na po kaming idea kung paano namin mapopromote yung business namin ng mas madali and mas makikilala ng mga tao.
Okay. Thank you, Akira. Who else?
Ako, sir.
Sino yan? Si?
Adeline.
Adeline. Go ahead, Adeline.
When creating a business po, sir, you have to consider your customer as well. Not considering yung profit lang na makukuha mo from the customer. Kagaya nga po nung kanina, yung sinabi niyo po, yung mga indigenous people, di ba po hindi po sila gumagamit ng chemical to create yung product na binebenta nila. Kino-consider din po nila yung mga customers na bibili sa kanila. Parang inaano din po nila yung health ng customer by not using yung mga chemical.
Tama, mahalaga yun kasi nakaka-cancer yan. Tama. Thank you. Who else? No more? All good?
Sir, meron pa, sir.
Sige. Sino yan? Sulat ko.
Munoz, sir.
Munoz. Okay, go ahead, Munoz.
Yung sir, yung product differentiation po. Yung about sa quality. Sa quality, sir. Kung mas mataas po yung quality, sir. Sa sir, compared po sa competitors, mas strong po yung differentiator mo, sir.
Tama. Mataba, malaki, at mas mura sila kasi hindi sila mahilig pumatong ng malaki. Tama. Thank you. Anybody else?
Ako, sir.
Okay, sino yan? Si? Go ahead, your name, please. Nakamute ka, anak.
Maglalang po.
Okay, Lian, go ahead.
Yung pong quality po mismo nung sir, yung product na kailangan mong ibenta. Yun sir, sabi nga ni Akira sir, parang magiging guide siya sa amin po para pag nag-business kami sir, halimbawa sir, magbi-business ako ngayon. Isa po sa mga kailangan kong stepping stone is yung maganda po yung product ko or may quality po yung product ko para po mas maging patok po siya sa masa or mas mabenta po siya sa mga tao po.
Tama. Yeah, quality is very important. Thank you, Lee. Anybody else before we wrap it up? It's 7:05. Wala na?
Sir, hindi yung pinad yung points ko.
Akira, eto, times 3 na. Si Akira yun, no?
Sir.
Okay, sino pa?
Ako, sir.
Sino yan? Si?
Gumbok, sir.
Sige. Ay, Gumbok, buhay ka. Sige, go ahead, Gumbok.
Okay. Bukod po dun sa mga sinasabi nila, na-learn ko din po sa discussion ngayon is, hindi lang po bukod sa mga quality yung kailangan, bukod doon, sa afford po ng customer, yung kailangan, then yung need po nila na product. Siguro po, mas nakafocus po tayo dun sa sa want po ng customer para po mas marami pong bibili sa'yo or marami pong customer na na marireceive. Then bukod po doon is makikita mo din po kung ano po yung kailangan mo na ayusin sa business mo, kung ano po yung kailangan mo na i-plano. Ganun po, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Gumbok. Okay, let's wrap it up. Thank you for participating. I really appreciate you guys attending this class this early morning. And hopefully we were able to learn more about business model and our business plan. So hope to see you soon. And yeah, somebody was speaking.
Sir, lastly po.
Sige, Arcel, ikaw yung last note. So, go ahead, Arcel.
One thing po na hindi po na-mention, given the fact yung mga nabanggit kanina, during the process po kasi, imposible na hindi magkakaroon ng connection between sa community. So para nagkakaroon din ng team building yung mga tao during the process ng entrepreneurship. So, ayun, parang kinoconnecta niya yung mga tao to build something, no?
Okay. Thank you, Arcel. Malalim yun. Tama. It gathers people to share ideas, skills, products, and there's what you call a community development, community camaraderie. Tama. Very good.
Yes po.
Okay. So before you go home, please fill in the attendance para may time out for your participation. Sabi ni Cassandra, before you leave this class, fill out this form again, nasa chat box. Okay, ito. And sabi ni Cassandra, before you leave, please don't forget to fill up the attendance. Yung pag-identify po ng mga target customers sa need po nila and yung benefit po nila, example po yung motorcyclist need ng gasoline. Tama. Multiple selling. Okay, thank you, Gamma. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good day po.
Good day. Don't forget to fill up the attendance. And once you're done, you can log out. Thank you so much for participating. God bless.
Sir, thank you po.
Thank you.
Good day. Makakatulog na rin, sir.
Amen. Oy, may pasok pa kayo sa ibang subject. Masida. Sige, good night.
Good day, sir.
Good day. God bless. Gagawa ako ng exam.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Ay, sandali. Wala mo nang aalis, sabi ni sir. Go ahead, Sir Giselle. The microphone is yours.
Sir Tam, congrats po.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning po. Congrats po, Sir Tam.
Ay, thank you, thank you.
Kaso na, malis na po yung iba eh. Mag-remind lang po sana ako sa kanila, sir. Sa triple I ko po, sir.
Triple I. Reminder, class.
Hello, good morning po sa lahat.
Morning,
hello,
sir.
Good morning. Kita niyo ako?
Yes po, sir.
Yes,
morning, sir. Di ba meron pang hindi nakapag-present during the defense?
Yes po.
Yeah. So, yun. Kasi ang concern ko sila, wala kayong points for the defense, ne? So, you have your paper, kaso nga lang wala kayong points for the presentation. So, if ganito na lang gagawin natin kasi marami pa yung mga hindi nakapag-defend. So, you can actually record a 5-minute siguro is the maximum, no? For the presentation, and then kindly submit it to send it to your class president na lang siguro. Kasi meron naman kaming GC para doon na lang sila ma-present at doon ko lang sila mapanood, no? So, any more questions? Yung mga hindi lang nakapag-present, yung mga nakapag-present na okay na sila.
Ano yun, sir? Magpa-present po sila as a group?
As a group, pwede naman chop-chop na lang. Chop-chop na lang. Hindi nyo naman kailangan na magkakasama. Pwedeng
ididikit-dikit na lang, sir.
Ididikit na lang siya
okay
para maging kompleto, para maging complete yung video. Okay, so clear po tayo?
Yes po, sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yun lang. So, yun lang muna yung task ninyo for triple I for this day. Yung mga tapos na, so chill-chill muna kayo and then will be an activity na lang on Thursday. And then, ako naman is ma-observe po ako. By Thursday naman ako, 7:30 yung sa akin. So, I will be sending link for that day, no, 7:30 to 8:15. So, baka general na rin. So, gayang ginawa ni Sir Tam. So, dapat kasi 12 patients, no? So, gagawa ni rin ako ng kumbaga alternative. Baka kasi online din tayo during that time, no? So, with that, thank you po, Sir Tam.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you po. Mag-post konta mo, sir, o kanang tutuki?
Yes, sir. Kailangan po siguro tutuki, sir. Ating pa pong rin, sir.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sir, salamat kayong sacrifice.
God bless po.
God bless. Thank you, sir. Okay, class, we're gonna end this session. Have a wonderful day. God bless everybody. Thank you very much.
Good day, sir.
Good day